Google Flights Travel App Review, Usage Experience. Links to the Google Flights app are available in the description below. Google Flights is an incredibly powerful tool for anyone looking to find, compare, and book flights quickly and efficiently. The app is designed for both casual travelers and frequent flyers who want to make informed decisions about their travel plans. Its user-friendly interface and robust features make it a standout in the crowded world of flight booking apps. One of the app's primary strengths is its price tracking feature. Google Flights allows you to track flight prices and receive real-time updates if there are any price changes. This is especially helpful for those who want to book at the best possible time and avoid paying higher fares. The app also offers price prediction insights, suggesting whether the price is likely to rise or drop, helping you decide whether to book now or wait. Another standout feature is the search functionality. Google Flights offers a highly customizable search experience. You can filter flights based on factors like departure time, flight duration, airlines, baggage fees, and more. The flexible dates feature is also useful, showing you how fares vary based on different departure dates, so you can easily identify cheaper travel windows. For those planning international trips, Google Flights also provides a comprehensive view of available routes and airline options, even including multi-city itineraries. The map view is a particularly valuable feature that shows you a range of flight prices to different destinations from your chosen airport, making it easier to find budget-friendly options. The integration with Google Services is seamless, allowing you to link your Google account for easier bookings and flight management. You can also view flight status, terminal information, and flight details all in one place. Google Flights is perfect for anyone who values convenience, flexibility, and in-depth flight information. With its intuitive design and comprehensive features, it ensures that users can make smarter decisions when booking flights and get the best deals possible.